Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create multiplication table in C# using console. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. I would like to shout out Marshmallow, Sir Ernil, and Miss Rubilin who are always watching our videos. If you like to be shout out in my channel, kindly leave your name in the comment section of this video tutorial and then put shout out. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Okay, so we have here it is already generated in C#, no? Especially we are using Visual Studio. Console, write new line here, the title of our program, \t space multiplication table in C#. To generate a multiplication table, we need to have two for loop statement. Actually, it is called nested loop statement because a loop within a loop, no? So we have here for I integer. When we say integer, it refers to a data type that is whole number, positive and negative number including 0. For I equals 1, conditional statement here, I less than or equals to 10, increment. We have here console write line new line, and then inside of our first loop statement we have also integer j equals 1, j less than or equals to 10, increment, and then we have here I multiplied by j and then display here. The 4 is the spacing 0, and then close and then red. Don't worry guys because console red. Don't worry guys because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, after we have done, the next step that we'll do is to check our code for syntax error and run our program. Let us click the play button here. Okay, so we have here multiplication table in C#. Let us check. 5 times 4 we have 20. 3 times 7 we have 21. 8 times 4 we have 32. 9 times 9 equals 81. 10 times 4 we have 40. Correct. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to write and create a multiplication table in console in C# programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.